Alright y'all, so I am going to attempt to make my first HelloFresh meal from this week that I got. This is the mushroom and chive risotto swirled with garlic herb butter. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look. We will see how it turns out. So I'm gonna follow all of these instructions and all that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys again what I got for this meal. So I had the Parmesan cheese, chives, the roasted garlic herb, chili flakes, mushrooms, tomatoes. These are the grape tomatoes. Then you have the veggie stock. You have the arborio rice, an onion, and garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare what I need to go ahead and prepare. Of course, I will record it for you guys so you guys can see. So we will see how this turns out. So I should have cut the mushrooms more. It said to cut them in thin slices, but this is my first time cutting mushrooms, so we are just learning. And I'm not a huge mushroom fan anyways, but it's fine. I also tried to dice the onions as much as I could, but my eyes, of course, started to water. So this is what we're going to deal with. I wasn't paying attention and accidentally added the garlic in here, but it is okay. So I'm just going to get the onions to get a little brown. Okay, so this is, the onions are getting a light brown. This is where I was supposed to add the garlic in. So I would have added the garlic, and now I'm getting ready to add the rice. And some butter. This is my first time cooking this type of rice. I'm not used to cooking rice like this. You have to wait until it's pretty much translucent. So I have to use the remaining stock. As y'all can see, it says to pour half of the remaining stock every so often and stir. And I can't find my half cup measuring cup, so I'm using my full cup and just pouring half in there. But basically I have to use all of it until the rice and stuff in here is all creamy. It says it takes about 25 to 30 minutes. Not sure how long it's been, but as y'all can see, it is not creamy yet. Hopefully this comes out decent. Like I said, This is the first time I've ever heard of this rice. First time I've cooked this rice. I'm not used to cooking rice like this, so we shall see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for this to get creamy and add in whatever else I need to add in. So it says depending on the size of your pan, you may need a little more or less liquid for the risotto. So I probably didn't have to use all of that. Yikes. But I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna let this sit for a little while. I just took a bite and it's not bad. It's actually pretty good. So here's the mushroom and chive risotto with garlic herb butter. It came out better than I expected. But yeah, this is really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little process of me cooking my first HelloFresh meal of this week. So I will be probably kind of like putting a review in this video as well with the overall taste. But so far it is good. It looks really good. Kind of looks just like the picture. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.